Today we are going to see about the sexual transmitted disease. So sexually transmitted disease means about AIDS and hepatitis we are going to see. So first we will see about the AIDS. What do you mean by AIDS? The abbreviation of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and this is caused by the virus called HIV. It is nothing but human immunodeficiency virus. Clear? And it is caused by retrovirus. Okay. And what will happen actually, this is little bit dangerous disease because it start affecting, the virus will start affecting the white blood cells. White blood cells of our body. Okay, so the immune system, the total immune system will be attacked by the retrovirus. So only it is a dangerous disease. Can you understand? So only the person who got AIDS will get all sort of diseases because the immunity level will be decreased. Will get decreased. Can you understand? And next, if you are going to see about it's how it is transmitted. So how it is transmitted means through sexual contact or through blood transfusion. For example, if a person who is affected by AIDS, if he or she is transferring the blood, it can affect the healthy person also. So how it spread means it starts spread by one is sexual contact, and another one is blood transfusion, utensils, transferring the utensils, and then by surgical equipments. Can you understand? Sexual contact, blood transfusion, from infected person to a healthy person, the blood is transforming, the healthy person will be affected. Utensils, for example, if we should not use all, we should not exchange the utensils, so we should be very careful. Surgical equipments like a blade or any of the syringe, it should not be used. Once it is used, it should be thrown off. If not, it may start affecting the person. Clear? Going to start about the symptoms. Symptoms that occurs in the AIDS. So first, if you see weight loss, sudden weight loss will be there, and then sweating will be there, and then fever, prolonged fever, and you can see sweating at night, especially at night. Okay, and so these are all the symptoms we can say. And next, how can we prevent? It is preventive measure. So how can we prevent means we should not exchange the things from one person to another person. Usually we should not exchange. Do not exchange the things. It may be any of the thing. Your dress materials or your utensils, whatever it may be. And use disposable syringe. Okay, we should use only the disposable syringes. And then safe sexual contact, and then screen the blood. Screening of blood. Before going for the blood transformation, we have to go for screening of blood. Okay, avoid sharing the blades. Blades. Clear? So these are all the preventive measures. Do not use the common toilet, and do not exchange the cloths. So many are there. So if proper and good hygiene if you are maintaining, we can avoid such a diseases. So if you see, this is a structure of a HIV virus. Okay, so this is made up of outer membrane, which is called as envelope actually. Okay, so outer membrane, which is called as envelope, which will start protecting the RNA, that is nucleic acid. And next one, if you see, this is glycoprotein. Usually the virus, it is made up of proteins and nucleic acid. Can you understand? So this is called nucleic acid and this is called protein. So this outer projection, it is called as glycoprotein, and the inner layer, it is called as capsid. This is also main thing to protect the RNA, that is nucleic acid. And next, if you see, double standard RNA will be present. Two RNAs are present, so it is called double RNA. RNA, it is nothing but ribonucleic acid. So this is the structure of HIV. The next topic we are going to see about the hepatitis. Okay, this is also one of the sexually transmitted disease, and hepatitis B, it is also called as serum hepatitis, and this is caused by hepatitis B virus. Okay, it is caused by hepatitis B virus, which is shortly called HBV. Okay, and the main thing of this disease, this virus means it start damaging the liver cell. It damages the liver cells. Okay, and what will happen? It start creating two important diseases. One is acute inflammation. Inflammation is nothing but swelling in the liver region. And one more thing, it causes cirrhosis, liver cirrhosis. Okay, this is called liver cirrhosis. The total color of the liver will be changed. Okay, and the shape also, it will be changed. Like a rough liver, it seems, it shows. For example, a person who go for a continuous cigarette person, if you see the liver, the same thing, you can see the symptoms in the cirrhosis. Okay, and next, if you see how what are the symptoms we are going to see. What are the symptoms? It shows fever. Okay, fever, cough, and loss of appetite. So the symptoms, if you see, it causes fever, that is prolonged fever, cough, loss of appetite. So appetite, it is nothing but you will not feel hungry. Okay, the stomach always, it will be like a full, you can feel. Such a symptoms you can see. And nausea. Nausea means feeling like vomiting. Okay, and the yellowness of eyes. That is, your eye became yellow. Okay, like a jaundice, you can see your eyes, it turns yellow. And even the skin also will become yellow. Eyes as well as your skin. Okay, both will become yellow in color. And then you can get light colored stools. Stools are nothing but the loose motion. When it goes loose motion, it goes like a, for example, the rice. When your mother is cooking, first she will be washing the rice. So white color water will be washed out. When you're washing the rice, white color water will be released. Such a color stool sample, the waste matter will be released. Clear? So rice or light color stool will be released. Okay. So stool sample is nothing but the fecal matter, the waste matter. Okay. And next symptoms you can see, the most probably if you see safe and itching will be there. Usually your body will be irritated and it will, sometimes irritation will be there, or sometimes itching will be there. Okay. Itching means the like scratching your body, and some rashes may also it occurs. Clear? Joint pain will be there, headache will be there, and spot reddening will be there in the skin. Such a symptoms you can find it out. Clear, children? What all the preventive measures we have seen in the AIDS, the same preventive measure we have to go for. One is avoid others utensils. Okay. And then avoid sharing things. And then have safe contact. Okay. Blood transfusion screen. Before donating the blood or before getting the blood, so we have to go for screening the blood. So these are all the symptoms we can see. So your question is about explain in detail about the AIDS. With a neat diagram, you are going to write the virus name, the causative agent, the symptoms, preventive measures, how it spread, everything you have to write it with a neat diagram, and label the parts. Mention in detail about the hepatitis B disease. Clear, children? Thank you.